Today's recipe is watermelon rind pickles. So I've cut up a watermelon. I have taken the rind off, and then I have cleaned up the rind for the most part. A couple of bits are still on there, and there's one with the rind still on it. I've already cut myself once, so I'll do this in small pieces. It's okay to have a little bit of the pink part on there. You're going to boil this until soft, and then we're going to put it into a sugar brine. So it will be preserved. One added note, if you were short on apples for an apple pie or some fruit pie, if you needed fruit peel or something, once the watermelon is boiled and softened, it has no taste. It can be used on any of these as a substitute. I used to get this at a gas station. I finally learned how to make it. You end up with a good amount. All right, you're gonna boil it for a long time. Okay, so those have been boiling for about an hour, and they're now nice and pliable. So those are drained. I'll set those in the colander to cool. Now, one thing to note, after you have the watermelon softened from boiling, you can use any brine. So if you like bread and butter pickle brine, you can use that. If you like more of a dill, you can take it to that direction. It lends itself to more sweet flavors, but you can. It's a pickle. You can make it whatever type of pickle you want. So if I had some fresh ginger, I would throw ginger in this and take it into that direction. Make it your own. But this is a traditional type of recipe for this pickle. 1 cup, 2, 3, and I'm out of sugar. All right, 3.5 cups. And white vinegar, 2 cups. Use up all my vinegar. I'm going to use a handful, not even a handful, but these are allspice berries. Half a stick of cinnamon. And I don't have any whole cloves, but a little bit of clove in there. And just to get it going, I'm going to put some water in. We'll boil that off. and we'll come back. Okay, so this has been boiling for a while. I'm going to pass this through a strainer. Now, I'm going to add the watermelon rind straight in. I'm going to turn that off. Just let that hang out and cool down. See the color change? It's soaking up the brine. That is watermelon pickles. These can go in the fridge for a day and start eating them. Best usually a couple days. And they have a beautiful translucent color now. They've taken on in the brine completely. And yeah, it works. They're really intense with this brine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Hasta.